Welcome to MacroMappers, a worldwide globe macroinvertebrate collaborative project. I'm Peggy Folletta, and my partners are Lynn Hare and Sarah Mierzwack. These globe teams researched their water site's history, conducted macroinvertebrate surveys at their water site, and shared their findings about their community, culture, and water sites. The blue markers are current MacroMapper project teams' locations. The red markers are globe schools that have collected macro data, but have not yet joined our project. We're hoping they will.
Teams are composed from grades 4 through 12, and they are from around the world, anywhere there is a hydrosphere study site. They're going to conduct and have conducted data from hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere twice a year, 6 months apart, if at all possible. That might be fall, spring, warm, cold, dry, wet, or anytime there's an abundance of macroinvertebrates. The teams choose a freshwater body site, whether it's a ditch, a lake, a pond, a stream, and then they are going to do both hydrosphere and biosphere protocols that help tell about macroinvertebrates and the chemistry conditions in the water. The teams are using the sampling protocols from both hydrosphere, so important, and hydrosphere.
So in addition to virtual meetings with our group members to coordinate this diverse group around the world, we decided to incorporate a couple different digital platforms, one of them being a Google My Map, where we pinned all of the locations of our members, a Padlet where we added prompts for them to answer questions about their sites, and a Google photo album where users could upload all kinds of photos with their activities. So I'll show you briefly. Here is our Google My Map. And like I said, this is interactive, so you can see here's a location here in Uruguay where they've uploaded some photos of their site and some information. Here is a member in Bhutan who also has some information uploaded. And here's our Padlet, where you can see here is our interactive questions. And we ask them to tell us about their school, their water site, their data collecting experience, the quality of their water, and then also tell their cultural and historical water body story if they would like. So the users under these columns have already entered a lot of that data. And you can see that at the top here, Peggy has added climagraphs for each location, so we can quickly compare each other's average temperatures and precipitation, since we're all located in different places around the world. And then here is our shared photo album, where users have uploaded lots and lots of interesting photos and some up-close images of the macros that they've been collecting.
We've had some challenges, but we've had a very successful year, and we're looking forward to a good second year and hope some other people will join. These are some of the challenges we've had. The macroinvertebrates protocol is long, and navigating the Padlet and Google My Maps takes some technology instruction. The equipment and materials were a problem for some of the people to locate, but we got that straightened out. And the level of participant experience was widely different. The school schedules are probably the biggest issue as far as comparing to macroinvertebrate collection, because some schools were not in session when the macroinvertebrates needed to be collected. But we got through that. And we hope that some of you decide to join our project, and we look forward to whatever questions you have. Thank you.